Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Greatness Everyday YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why I believe YouTube is the best business for you in 2021 and beyond. But first, my name's Matt, and here on this channel, I make videos related to mindset, money, and more. So if you're interested in finding out when a new video comes out, please go down and hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate that. Here on this video specifically, I'm really excited to talk about this topic because it's something that I've been doing for about 3 years now. It's something that I really enjoy talking about because I spend a lot of time, money, and energy doing YouTube, yes, but there's been a great return on that investment. So that's what we're here for. That's what I'm going to give you in this video. But if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you answer those as quickly as possible. So let's get started here with the very first reason why I think YouTube is the best business for you to consider here in this year and future years, and that is because you can monetize what you're passionate about. And this has been something that I've been able to do in 2 different niches, let's say, or focuses here with different YouTube channels. The very first YouTube channel that I started was an education YouTube channel. As I'm a high school teacher regularly, in my spare time I was able to go in and make tutorial videos, some related to subjects that I've taught, some not. And over time, eventually I was able to monetize those as I stopped using them, because I haven't uploaded to that channel for about 2 years now. Really, so that's been something that I've been able to open up and monetize where I'm no longer using them, and it's something that I created in my spare time earlier. So that's something that I enjoy. Here on Greatness Every Day, I've been able to go ahead and monetize what I do in the area, in the niche of personal development, because I set out on this journey to really kind of challenge myself to grow a lot. As I'm looking at growing personally, I'm looking at growing my money, I'm looking at growing my mindset, and a lot of different other areas. And I was like, hey, I enjoy doing this, and at the exact same time, I'm learning a lot. Why don't I share what I'm learning with other people out there? And that's that whole premise of Greatness Every Day, where I challenge and encourage you to live your greatest life. Right? We're kind of going through this journey together. So that's why we're here. And those are 2 passions and 2 niches that I really enjoyed, that I've been able to monetize and grow over time. And that's been highly rewarding for some various reasons I'm going to get into in just a second. But with that, you might have the exact same interests and passions that I do here of education and personal development, or you might not. You might be interested in cooking, or you might be interested in mechanics or cars or 4-wheelers, something like that. And there is tremendous potential to go ahead and monetize what you're passionate about. And anybody can choose whatever they want to make their own channel about. And that's why I'm a big believer in YouTube, specifically as my favorite platform really in social media, for many different reasons. But if you want to do some of those topics that I suggested earlier, or you want to simply make cat videos that people watch and find funny, there is tremendous potential out there. And that ties into reason number 2. Reason number 2 is there is potential out there to scale things up. And as you do that, I mean, you even look at my channel now, right? You start small and then you grow. I've got about 5,000 subscribers on my channel, which is insane for me to think, because that is about the exact same size as my hometown. So it's crazy for me to think that my hometown, number-wise, is watching my videos or found my channel interesting enough to click that subscribe button, and they found value in that. So over time, you can scale things up. I know that that's going to hit 5,000, or it just did hit 5,000. It's going to hit 10,000. It's going to hit 100,000 and beyond. So I'm really excited about the growth potential that's there. Scaling up a community, yes, because with that community comes networks, right? You make some incredible connections through the internet that you're able to leverage over time. As interesting projects come up, you're able to collaborate with people all around the world that have similar interests to you, that challenge your beliefs, that really make you a better person. And so you can really scale up the community that's there. But at the exact same time, you can also scale up the income that you're making from a YouTube channel. And there are many different ways to monetize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. My favorite way is YouTube. Yes, because you can get ad revenue if you choose to once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But you can also go ahead and scale up the behind the scenes ways to monetize your channel. We're talking about things like offering coaching programs, online courses, and many other things like actual products if you have them or not. So there's great potential there to scale things up. And I look at only my kind of journey in YouTube, and I look at only the ad revenue that I was making, right? I started out making nothing. I thought I was going to make $1 in my first year on YouTube. I remember telling my brother that, and lo and behold, a few months ago, I made over $1,000 just in 1 month from these channels. So that's been incredible for me to see the potential that's there. And really, it's only going to get bigger the more committed I am to scaling up that process. So that's something that I'm excited to see. And sometimes that growth is very slow, and sometimes that growth is fast, depending on how much work you put into it, depending on how strategic you are, and many other things. But the potential to scale up is there. And so that's reason number 2. And reason number 3 is one I'm very interested in, and some of you might be as well, because ultimately, if you're able to do YouTube successfully, either as a side income or replacing your full-time income, which is possible, you can work from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. And that's the incredible thing for me to think about, because you can work from anywhere, whether that is you come home from work as I do, and I complete my Greatness Everyday content and videos and other things that I do and offer with that, like coaching. I complete that all outside of my regular work time in the evenings and on the weekends, and I love doing that because I love both of the jobs that I have. But some other people might replace that entirely, right? They might say, I want to quit my job, I'm going to go into doing YouTube full time, and I'm going to make content around that, either from my house and where I live, or maybe I'm going to go on a vacation and live in another country for 2, 3, 4 months. The potential is there. So I want you to understand exactly that YouTube, all you need is a camera, something to edit it with, whether you do that on your phone, whether you do that on an editing software, and then you need an internet connection to get that video and content out to people. And there is incredible potential with there. So you monetize your passions, you scale it up, and then you can work from anywhere. That is 3 reasons why I believe YouTube is the best business for you right now. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below. I want to say that if you're interested in starting on YouTube, I do offer coaching. I tell you the things that I have learned in the past 3 years of doing YouTube. While putting out close to 300 videos, I've been able to do this, learn a lot about how to work efficiently, how to plan my videos, how to film them, how to upload them, how to edit, how to put them together and promote them out there while getting good results. I mean, I just grew this to over $1,000 a month just a few months ago. So I know what it takes. And that is all doing things very simply. In that 1 month alone, I uploaded 4 videos. I made $1,000. And that was a great return on the investment that I've had, even when you scale that out long term. So those are some of the reasons that I believe YouTube is the best business idea for you here in 2021 or beyond. I believe it's going to be something that's around for many years to come. And I'm definitely still going to be doing it here. So if you've got questions, let me know down below. If this video helped you, please hit the thumbs up button. Or if you know somebody that wants to start a YouTube channel, please go ahead, click the share button and share this video with them. It's going to help them. And then they can reach out to me if you or them have any questions about YouTube coaching services. So I'll be able to help you with that, and I'd be excited to do that. So in the end, I hope this video helped. Remember, choose greatness every day, and I'll see you next time.